Noe and
me, Kaylee.
And today we're going to be unboxing the Ultimate Slime Kit from
Original Stationery.
So let's see what's inside. Oh, it's so packed, I can feel it. Okay, so we have our instructions here, which are very important to follow because you want to make sure your slime is right and perfect. Then we have
some fruit slices and some water beads.
Then we have our glow powder in here, our instant snow, and gloves, and these cute little fruit slices to store our slime in. Next we have
some fun mixers, multicolored.
We have all our scents and colors. Glitters, which are so cute. I know me and Kaylee are gonna love to use these because we both love glitter, and glitter just makes everything better. We have our two
clay packets
and these fun little tools to use in our slime. I can't wait to use these because they look like so much fun.
Yeah.
Like we can mold and make some stuff. What is this, Kaylee?
Shaving foam.
Oh my gosh.
Fluffy.
I know, it is so fluffy, and this is gonna make our slime even fluffier than it was. So we're really excited to use this. Then we have
some activator
and our clear glue. These are just our containers and our two measurers. We can't wait. Let's go.